Hey everybody, we got a Bonanza Squarebody short bed truck that we're gonna sell. I bought this truck. It was just like a quarter of a mile down the road. It was a short bed. It was complete. It was a semi-decent deal, and I bought it up. My idea was that I was gonna pretty much totally restore this truck and make it a kind of just a nice cruiser. Well, this year, 2021, we're going to be doing a ton of traveling and a ton of racing the yellow and white truck. So I need to get out from under this truck, sell it, and then put that cash into our traveling fund. So this truck's back up for sale. I got $5,000 invested in this truck. I just want my 5,000 bucks back. So anyways, that's where I'm at. Don't try to knock me down too much more than that. It's complete. It's got a little bit of rust, you know, starting at the pinch welds where the rockers meet the floor. I've got some patch panels that come with it for the back sides of the fenders and the back corners of the bed. Dash is cracked. This truck's been sitting for a long time. Dash is cracked, but it's complete. I mean, everything's here. All the options here. I'll go in and show you this real quick if you can see it. Anyways, you can see everything there. Scottsdale manual door locks, manual windows. It needs both fenders replaced if you wanted to. This side you could replace the lower section there, and you could rust repair behind the front bumper at the bottom if you wanted to. This side, you know, doesn't seem to have any body filler or anything in it. You can see that because the paint's chipping all the way down to the bare metal. It needs a hood. The hood has some rust holes in the front side of it, and then along the bottom. Hold on just a second. Son of a gun, you think I hadn't done one of these before. And then there's rust starting at the bottom where the latch or striker's at. So this hood's junk, but it comes with a hood. There's a hood in the back. It's a blue hood with a little stepping on the front leading edge of it. Well, if you look at this, the inside of this fender is starting to rust a little bit. Firewall seems to be pretty good. Motor's no good. I think the motor's even locked up, but it's not a bad truck. It's definitely restorable. We were going to restore this truck. Along where the seam sealer is right there was starting to rust a bit. I got underneath it, and the cab is good in the front. I think something fell, or they dropped the hood on it, something, but there's a crack in the cowl right there. I don't really understand that. But anyways, this fender has rust in the same spots, and you can see that it looks like there was a little bit of body filler here. This was probably a dent that they pulled and then body filled it, and then it rusted from the backside. Doors are good. The roof is good. Bedsides are both really good in my opinion, in the fact that there's like no dents. But it has that same rust that my truck had. It was kind of starting right here, but I do have those lower rust sections that'll come with the truck. It's got a farm bumper on it. Tailgate's good, works good. There's that hood that comes with it, but inside the bed is good. I don't know, it is what it is, but I'd like to keep it, but I spend too much money on everything else, so I need to get a little bit of money back out of this. And during the process of you working on it or restoring it or doing whatever, you know, we would love to also help you with further discounts on other parts purchases to kind of help see this one to the end. Anyways, that's it. Thanks everybody.